Okay, so we're making a honk sign and we're gonna dance for everybody who honks. So if you see us somewhere in this general area, please honk and we'll dance.
Well, they won't see it because it's not like we're uploading this live.
I have new tiny layers.
Of
course you can pay me and go.
Live from 7-Eleven.
I mean
live.
Hey Yasmin, what does the sign say?
People, hurry up!
Hurry up, we gotta have people
Let's be
honk.
back by
Oh my god, I
5
found a spoon.
That must have been you.
Come on.
I haven't got a large.
It has a hot lady on it.
Give it.
I'm gonna sleep with this cup tonight.
Alright, let's go. What's this? Oh, that's
hey, let me hold it. You're holding it wrong.
That's the sign's back.
We ripped it off the pole.
You just ripped it off the pole.
Come on.
That's amazing.
This is our noble Asian cameraman. No offense, Mark. And we have a honk. Yes! Finally! Finally!
Hold it still.
Okay, you know what? You're the cameraman. Thank you for honking, man. If you see this.
It's fun. Maybe I want to walk with you home.
Keep on trolling. Jerk! You can't jerk, you're white.
Yasmin, hold it higher. Ow! I knew it.
Cool people! Cool people! Cool people honk. Every time you see somebody with a sign that says honk, you better honk. You don't, they'll shoot you. Because we're watching you. You better honk. I'm ready for my close-up.
Evan's gay that way.
We're watching you.
No, hold it up against the...
That dude just flipped us off.
Did I get that on film?
Film their expressions. He's like, we got your breaker.
Oh, there's the bus.
Hey, there's a bus. Come on.
Yeah! That's 3. Wait, stay on the highway. Or whatever this road is. Yeah! Yeah! That's fun.
Go on!
How many eggs?
Party
5.
over!
Hey, you shouldn't be talking.
Hey, we have 5.
There's 5. Yeah! That's 7.
You better honk!
Hey, here's the FedEx truck. Wait, stop. There's FedEx.
How many honks?
7.
7?
FedEx. Oh man.
He tried.
He tried.
Yeah, you give me credit. Good effort.
Good job.
Yeah, they can honk because
yeah, it is.
I remember saying screw FedEx.
Hey,
think about the guys. Guys, think about the money we'll be making for FedEx advertisement.
I know.
Hey, honk. That is pretty cool though.
Oh, that's
8. That's 8.
Oh, but that's not count as 2.
4 times. You gotta count for every honk.
11, I think.
Hey, and we're
How many was that?
11.
11.
Come on, honk for us! Honk!
Oh, they think we're stupid.
We're not stupid. Come on, Asians are not stupid. See, look, this is an Asian.
They
are not stupid.
I'm the cameraman.
Like a bag, holding it out and then like this.
Yeah, yeah, they're too big. No,
They're
hey,
busy living in
wait,
the
stop. There's a lot of people.
Honk, please! Honk!
Oh my God.
Honk! Honk!
Come on,
Can they
Yasmin.
not read? Hey guys, if you ever see a honk sign, just honk.
We have 12. Come on. Yeah.
It makes
like,
Was that 12 or 11?
it's either 11 or 12.
Alright.
13.
Nobody.
Honk!
Oh. Oh, it's the bathroom man.
Hummingbird!
It's Mark. Mark, remember, it's you.
Hummingbird! Guys, it's a hummingbird!
Oh yeah.
Please.
Hey, the policeman on the motorcycle honk!
Yeah, that's cool. We got honked by a policeman and we're not getting pulled over.
No, we got honked by a humming bee. They empty out porta potties. I know.
That's great.
No, that's a
Honeybee.
No, that's not a honeybee. That's a honeysucker.
I said humming
Sucker.
The truck behind you.
Honk, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. How many?
Count?
That was like
that,
16.
25?
We got 25 honks.
25?
No,
Bus count.
we'll
Bus-
review
buses
it.
count as
We'll
five.
review.
Buses count as 5.
We will review it on here and edit it in. Yeah, so that'll work.
Hayden, you're a
You
bus.
can edit.
Hey, honk. Ow. I think I just called him fat.
Honk! You better honk.
Oh well.
Who's on the phone? The common knowledge, guys. Honk if there's a honk
Oh,
sign.
remember that one guy that was looking at us in a store?
Hannah, put this in your bag.
Okay, bye guys.
Because I'm only going to show.
Bye.